Students, in this video I am going to explain question number 2, 4 and 5 of exercise 8.5. Let's come to the question number 2 first. Children, I am going to read the question. You all please look into your textbook. The question is, Rashid spent 35 rupees 75 paise for maths book and 32 rupees 60 paise for science book. Then find the total amount spent by Rashid. Let us understand that what we are given in this question. See, as per the question, it is given that money spent by Rashid for maths book. How much it is? 35 rupees 75 paise. And money spent by Rashid for science book, 32 rupees 60 paise. Right? And we are asked to find out total amount spent by Rashid. See, the word total comes here. So what we have to do to find out the total amount? To find out the total amount, here we have to add the given to amount, right? So children, here you can see I have added both the amount. The addition is very simple and the answer comes 65 rupees 35 paise. It means how much total amount spent by Rashid? Total amount spent by Rashid is 65 rupees 35 paise. Now question number 3 is just similar to the question number 2. So question number 3 you can do your own. Now coming to the question number 4. The question is, Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trouser. Then find the total length of cloth bought by her. See, in this question it is given the length of cloth for shirt. How much it is? 3 meter 20 centimeter. Now children, here you can see the length is given in meter and centimeter. But while solving, we need to convert this length in one unit only. Either you can convert in meter or you can convert it into centimeter. And how to convert we have already seen in exercise 8.4. Here I have converted the unit meter and centimeter in meter only. See, the number 3 is already in meter, so we can keep it as it is. And to express 20 centimeter as a meter, we need to divide it by 100. That we have already seen in exercise 8.4, right? So 20 divided by 100 is 0.20 and 3 plus 0.20 is nothing but 3.20 meter, right? Similarly, later it is given length of cloth for trouser. How much it is? 2 meter 5 centimeter. Again here the length is in meter and centimeter. And you can see I have converted this length in meter only. And it comes 2.05 meter, right? And what we are asked to find out? We are asked to find out again the total length. Now to find out the total length, what we have to do? To find out the total length, we need to add the length of cloth for shirt and length of cloth for trouser. And addition becomes very simple again. And you can see here the addition comes 5.25 meter. Means total length of cloth is 5.25 meter. Now come to the question number 5. The question is, Naresh walked 2 km 35 meter in the morning and 1 km 7 meter in the evening. Then how much distance did he walk in all? See, what is given to us in this question? Distance walked by Naresh in the morning. How much it is? 2 km 35 meter. Now here it is again, you can see the distance is given in kilometer and meter. But for solving we need to convert them in one unit only, right? So you can convert it into kilometer or you can convert it into meter. As you can see, I have converted them into kilometer. Now 2 kilometer I have kept as it is. And how will you express 35 meter as a kilometer? You need to divide them. You need to divide it by 1000, right? So it will be 35 by 1000 kilometer. And 35 by 1000 means 0.035 kilometer, right? Now 2 kilometer plus 0.035 kilometer, it will be 2.035 kilometer. Later it is given distance walked by Naresh in the evening 1 kilometer 7 meter, and 1 kilometer 7 meter means 1.007 kilometer. And what we are asked to find out in this question, how much distance did he walk in all? See, the word is there, in all. In all means we have to find out the total distance, right? And again, to find out the total distance, we need to add the given distances. Distance walked by him in the morning and distance walked by him in the evening. So here you can see what I have written, distance walked by him in all. How much it will be? 2.035 kilometer plus 1.007 kilometer. Addition you can see here, and the answer is 3.042 kilometer. Means how much distance walked by Naresh in all? 3.042 kilometer.